Add 1 cup of poha in a big bowl. Add water and wash well. Washing is done. Squeeze out the water and transfer to a bowl. Add 1 chopped onion. Add 1 big boiled potato. Mix well. Add half spoon ginger garlic paste. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add salt as per taste. Add half spoon of turmeric. Add chili powder as per taste. Add half spoon pepper powder. Add half spoon crushed coriander seeds. Mix well. Mixing is done. Take little dough and prepare tikkis. Tikki shaping is done. Prepare all in same process. In a bowl, add 3 spoons corn flour. Add 1/4 cup of water. Mix well without any lumps. Add 2 pinch of salt. In a bowl, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Dip the tikki in slurry. Then coat the breadcrumbs. Prepare all in same process. Tikki preparing is done. Shallow fry in heated oil. Let them fry on medium flame. Flip the tikkis to another side. Let them fry until crispy. Both sides are fried well. Poha cutlet is ready to serve. Serve with curd or ketchup.